Time to start cooking. First things first.
I believe I have earned the meat time.
Always need one of these when you starting to cook a meal.
Oh yeah, you dirty little fat.
Hello everybody, welcome to Hood Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing beef oxtails, blackout peas, done up right. First of all, you got to get you a nice big saucepan, put your oxtails up in there. I put about 8 cups of water, so it's like over the oxtails itself, the water. Put my seasonings in it, a tenderizer to keep that meat off the bone, cause I want that meat to drop off. And I use them so slow, goya, oh boya.
Wow.
Let it cook a little bit, now it's time to put that bay leaf up in there and let it soak up. 1 or 2 of those and that'll work.
Woo!
Here come that Jamaican side. That Heineken rule, boy. Done it up right. Now it's about time to get these beans ready. These peas, blackout peas, about 2 cups come in a bag. Rinse them off in water. You know what I'm saying? What I do is, I take the broth from the oxtail, take the oxtail out, and cook the beans, the peas, up in the juice of the oxtail. Okay, we got the oxtail juices, now it's time. We got the oxes on the side. Now it's time to put them blackout peas in there that we had washed and all that. Let them cook up in that broth to finish. Now this is where it go fast, spice the life. Now pay attention now, I ain't gonna say it twice. Add those bouillon cubes and let it boil. Once you let it boil, you gotta let it simmer for a minute. Put your oxtails back up in there. Let it simmer with your blackout peas. And as gradually the meat will fall off the bone. So you can remove the bone as you go. I suggest you make you some white rice and some cornbread to go with this, cause that's done dada.